नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं कंटेंट मार्केटिंग के बारे में। हम जब कंटेंट मार्केटिंग की बात करते हैं, दैट मीन्स कि ऐसा कुछ अपनी टारगेट क्लाइंट को दिखाया जाए या फिर शेयर किया जाए जिससे हमारा टारगेट क्लाइंट हमारी तरफ अट्रैक्टेड है, हमारी ऊपर ट्रस्ट बिल्ड करना स्टार्ट करता है और अल्टीमेटली हमारी लीड्स में एंड देन हमारी सेल्स में कन्वर्ट हो सके। इसके लिए क्या किया जाए? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अंडरस्टैंड, कंटेंट मार्केटिंग डजंट मीन only marketing. It is about giving content, relatable content to your target client so that they start connecting with you. And it doesn't lead to sales right now, but yes, it can lead to sales in coming future. Now, how to do that? So it is basically about creating value. So whenever we create content, we have to make sure that we are adding value in the lives of our target client. Okay, now remember always a formula VVIP, which is value addition, information, and then promotional post. So this is what I share when it comes to social media engagement. Now coming back to content marketing, there are 3 points I will share which you should keep in your mind when creating content. Number 1, what is your target client? Identify what kind of client are you serving. Is it youngster, old aged, middle aged people, women, men, working professional, housewives? What kind of client, their persona, their characteristics, what do they like, what they don't like, and what are their pains most specifically. See, if I'm talking to you, I know for entrepreneurs pain is like reaching people. So I am creating content on that which is adding value to you. Similar way, if you are, let's say, sari seller, you know the pain of wearing sari. So make it easy for your client, create relatable content, create styling ideas. Okay, so that's your value adding content. So number 1, identify the pains of your client. Number 2, so now I will come to content. Okay, so research a lot, make the content relatable. If there is a pain, there are number of solutions. Which solution will your client adopt? Okay, which solution is easy, it is feasible, it is cost effective. Okay, so that is one. Second thing, when we are creating content, be authentic. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए that we are creating stories around, messing around data. So yes, it should have data, it should be specific, it should be very very specific to the pain. For example, if I say, I am an entrepreneur, I manage a lot, I am suffering through stress, how to manage work and life, then my pain is work-life balance. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to create something which is easy to follow, which is very specific, which resolves my problem. So that's a content for me. Okay, so that's one example. Now make relatable content. Number 3, the language you choose should be very very specific to your target client. If you are serving client from the background where Hindi is spoken most, choose Hindi. If you are living somewhere in West Bengal, choose Bengali, because then you will be able to connect the people around. Okay, your local language is the best language. Not always English is good, but local language is good. But yes, if you are serving clients who are educated or professional, working professional, entrepreneurs, you can obviously choose in Hindi or English. Okay, so choose language which is understood by your client. So 3 points I have shared. One is identify the pains of your client. Second is be authentic, make real content, value driven content. Third is choose right language. So if you focus on these 3 things, you will be able to create very good content, and that's all the key of content marketing. Thank you.